Hey, morning, gang, and happy Friday. It is 9:30 in this beautiful morning. How is everybody doing today? We have Mr. Trading Cowboy, of course. And sorry about
Good morning,
yesterday.
guys. Giddy up.
I'm in the middle of this pantry project. And this is a luxury pantry, by the way, guys. This is a huge pantry. This is like a 5,000 square foot pantry. I mean, not really, but it is it's a $7,500 pantry job. So it's not a bad little job that was supposed to only take a week. But of course, like I said, my buddy's not the best at scheduling and things like that. So that's what we're going to go ahead and tweak. All right, but let's see. So it seemed like yesterday, most of the day, the market just sold off, had a couple hiccups along the way. Now, all of a sudden, 5 o'clock in the morning, it finally decided maybe we're at that low point. Maybe it's time to start going up again. But let's see.
Yeah, pretty crazy. A lot of just we got in a range yesterday, and we sat there. Then we had a few breakouts. And,
How'd you guys do? How was yesterday for trading?
it wasn't bad. I mean, I had to go in there and spill some tea about one of my accounts, but we didn't blow it. But we had a crazy day. I'll try to bring it up here in a minute. It was
Were you just
that's why they call me the machine gun cowboy. That's all I'll say.
and was that it? You were doing a lot of trades, or was it you were holding? Were you
Oh yeah.
DCAing a
Well,
lot and
yeah, because
stuff?
I went in with like two minis, and it was just going up the whole time, and then
Yeah.
like literally like 30 seconds after I got in the trade, two minis, Trump had a tweet, and that thing just dropped, and before I could even click exit, I lost like $1,551.
Dang.
I mean, it was just like boom.
Just
And
instant,
so
man.
I switched over to micros, and I traded that whole thing the next I don't even know what it was, 3 hours or something,
Yeah.
with micros, just buying 1 to 10 at a time
And just
and
nursing it.
selling them as it would go up. And
Nursing it, nursing it,
we
nursing it.
had I don't know, let me see if I can
Damn, man.
find it. It was
Otherwise, we're
insane though.
right above the 200, but we have all of our other EMAs curling down. The VWAP is below us.
I told Zero Dawn, I showed everybody on the stream, and I said, we'll never talk of this again.
It almost went into the cemetery. Ooh. Man, I'll say physical labor, right? It definitely makes you feel different the next day. This is my first like physical labor, job. Usually I'm just desk intensive. But yeah, I feel beautiful right now. Man, ripping back up, poking through the
Ooh, that was
690s
nice
now.
push up.
But those were some very indecisive candles on the way. In all honesty, I thought that the short was starting to look pretty darn good. VIX is
Me
going
too,
down
for
though.
real. I mean, it burned a lot of people. I mean, it's a nice bull flag now that it's already done.
Yeah, exactly. Now Nvidia has a gap to the downside. Q's has a gap to the downside as well. Otherwise, it seems like ES and us, we've just been really kind of choppy, not going too far, but having some good kind of wicks and good candles in both directions. Ooh, maybe south is the way now, actually. Was that
Wow.
just to get all those stops out? Right now, we're just seeing your logo, sir.
I'm trying to find the.
Oh,
I had,
the almost blown one. Man, I
yeah,
hate that the trades disappear though at 5 o'clock. I wish that
I know it.
the trades would stay on there.
So yeah, look at the. Oh, now it's not going to do it again. So look at this number of
Dang.
trades: 161 trades.
Damn,
I
dude.
traded 476 contracts.
$238 in fees.
But if you look at yeah. So I ended up on the day 638 positive, but I paid 238 in fees. So I closed it at 400 positive. But you can see
Jeez,
with our
man.
P&L history here, at 12:46, I was down $1,551.
Damn.
And by the end of the day, we brought her all the way back with micros.
That's crazy, man.
Oh.
What was your longest winning was 12 minutes, longest losing
Yeah, look at
16
that.
minutes.
That's a record.
Yeah, man. That's crazy.
But that
And
just goes to tell you how fast.
look at that. Your average winning trade is 27. So again, that shows you how fast you're doing it. Average winning trade
Oh yeah,
27.
I mean, I was literally just like, I would go in with like
oh shit,
2 to
this market is
4, and then
dumping.
if it dropped 1 point, I was averaging into it.
Yeah. Jeez,
Oh,
man.
that's a nice pullback.
Yeah. And look at that. Nvidia and Qs do have a gap to the downside, so we do have some pretty juicy targets underneath us. And even for us, 518 seems a very realistic target at the moment. We're kind of breaking through our 200. We're at the 620s now. Are we considering a short, sir? It's 936. We have our 5-minute range, which we're now pushing through.
I mean, I kind of want to grab the. Well, it's a little late now, but I almost wanted to grab it long right there off the for 10 VWAP.
Yeah. Man, mine's always so low. Mine's at 588. I still hate that. That frustrates
Well,
me.
the real one's at 588. But whatever this one is here on, well, yeah, but you have the same one on Tradevate.
Yeah, well,
So why is yours right? Because yours
to
is
be.
right. If it's at 588.93 is the real VWAP.
Oh, okay. But so insane that yours just happens to work.
Yeah.
Wow, yeah, decent push up there.
Yeah, that would have been nice. Wow.
Still, EMA's still curling down pretty good. ES, though. ES looks real strong, too. Shoot. Man, I'm going to try one right there, just because we're so high up on the range right now, too.
Right, that was the 50, yeah.
I think it's reasonable that it's going to sink back down, at least for a little bit of an inversion. Man, computer real glitchy again. Hey, good morning, Driving Obsession. How we
morning,
doing,
buddy?
sir? As always, good to see you. Sorry about the no call, no show yesterday. Working on that stinking pantry.
Order filled.
All right. Come on, let's sink her down. Sink her on down, please.
Stock filled.
Yeah, it is a little bit delayed. Yeah, I didn't like how far that wick went down. I got out of 2 of them, still holding on to 1.
Wow, so it kind of had a half candle retracement and pushed right back up.
Dang, and then just rocket shipped. Yeah, and then look at this one. No wick, just friggin' ripped instantly. Interesting. Well, that's not good for my short.
So if me or you post something in Discord, does it automatically shoot it to everybody?
Not shoot it to everybody
Or how
unless
do
they
we-
have notifications on, I think. But what it is when you click on Discord, it'll whatever's new is highlighted white. Like all the different titles and stuff like that. So, man, embarrassed to say, I hadn't been on there for like 3 days. I finally went on, and there was a lot of nice new activity. You know, there was a decent amount of people.
Yeah, I
that
mean,
were
I've been
saying
pushing it pretty
things,
hard, but I just got on and told everybody to come get on and log in. So
and,
I wanted to make sure
that's sick, man.
they got that notification. So,
Good job. Yeah, and then same
but I
thing.
didn't know if I could like shoot it to their phone like an Amber Alert, you know?
Right, get out now! Where are you guys at? Quick! That's funny. Shoot, man. Well, maybe I should get out of it sooner than later, but Huh. Man, we just had
Driving obsession. I'll have to go find the candle, but me and Zero Dawn yesterday, I called you out to see if you were still in the room, but probably 15, 20 minutes before close. I don't remember exactly what time. I think I marked it on my chart, but we had an inside candle and a rip to the bottom that we rode down for like, I think it was like 60 points. So I was looking at it and I was like, that's an inside candle. That's an inside candle. And then I asked Zero Dawn, I was like, I think I'm going to go short here. And he goes, okay, I'm following you. So.
Dang. Yeehaw, mother cluckers. Lewis.
Lewis, what's up, man?
We haven't seen Lewis in forever.
Dear God, Jet. Oh,
What do you do?
I don't want him going on the bed anymore.
What do you do?
Like, this is disgusting.
Aw.
Look at my side of the bed. There's so much shit on it.
The poor pup.
No.
Alright.
He's a farm dog. No more on the bed.
He's a farm dog. Man, Lewis, we still got to get you in on a guest spot one of these days, bud. If you want to sneak in with the three of us. Basically, the middle screen right here, the my NQ screen, I'll switch out for you. We were almost going to have Marco, but he's hanging out. He just has a couple more days in town, which I feel bad. I really haven't gotten to hang out with him at all. My life has been crazy lately. But yeah, just said he wants to hang out with his wife and do some cool wife things. Which I understand that. My poor wife is sitting over there. She feels like she hasn't seen me in days.
I mean, y'all are hanging out right now. It's just not the.
Yeah. Well, shoot. I just held and held and held and held and held.
And it just keeps kind of pushing. I keep thinking, all right, this is going to be it. This is going to be it.
Yeah, I know it. And then it sneaks up just a little farther. Wow, look at that.
738 is our early pre-market high, so.
Yeah, I'm seeing if I can't get a 20s rejection really quick to just average down so I can kind of sneak out of her.
Yeah. That's what Mark told me yesterday, too. He's like, okay, well, kind of got in a little trouble yesterday and had to pull y'all's old DCA, and it worked out.
I love it.
And I just told him, course coming soon.
Yeah, yeah. That's so cool, man. That's so funny. Well, shoot.
Good morning, Charles.
Hey,
Let's not forget
what's
news at 10.
up?
You
Let's
got
not
it.
forget news at 10.
We don't care, we gamble. Yeah, that's right, Charles.
Shoot, Charles. Well, right now I did a short that was way too early. I mean, not really. At the time that it happened, it made sense, and I got out of two of them with nice little profit. I just held that third one thinking she would come back down, and she did not. Come on, you devil. Do 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 do.
I mean, I think 742, 743, and then we should get a pretty nice rejection, maybe.
Yeah, I'll play that. we'll play that game. We'll see if it works. Got 5 seconds left of this candle. Squeezing the shorts real good, me included.
It is.
Do 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 do. Lewis on a hot streak right now. 5 more accounts past this week. First time with more than 2 in total. Nice, Lewis. Beautifully done, bud. Beautiful week. 4 payouts in Top Step the last 6 weeks. That's beautifully done. Well, shoot. I guess I got to get out of this silly short that I decided to hold for way too long.
Man, it just keeps pushing.
Yeah. The only thing that could help me right now is Q's just hit its 200 EMA. But man, VIX doesn't really have any support points anymore.
Getting a little reaction right here.
Yeah, we got our 5-minute range set now. Come on, baby. Otherwise, I gotta get out of this thing. Wow, still going.
Wow.
Well, gotta give it 20 more seconds. Let the new candle show up at least. Greg, have you spoken to PW since the BDH visit? No, I have not, sir. Man, look at this thing. Just friggin' ripped right into my face.
Wow.
Well, I guess that didn't work, gang. Oh, well. It is what it is. Shoot. Is it gonna come down? Is it gonna come down? Is it gonna come down? Nope, it's just gonna go. Well, darn
That
it,
was
gang.
insane. It just keeps pushing.
Yeah, there goes that guy. Oh well. Of course, now that I just got out, you know, that was the max. That was max. That was max pain right there. It's going for the 833 pivot, says Lewis. Shoot, man. Yeah, that was crazy. No, man. I've you know, I sent him a couple messages and stuff like that, but never really heard a response, unfortunately. Ginger always responds. She's amazing. You know, he did one stream where he said, news leaked to hedge funds. Yeah. Shoot, yeah, now it's starting to finally go down a little bit, but.
Bought
Yeah.
at 702.75, sold for 20 points. What an idiot. 8-time trader. Hey, you got the 20 though. You got the
Yeah,
20
man.
points.
I mean, you did better than me. I went short and then tried to hold it and then bought a few more on the way. I didn't necessarily do the right thing. Poo, 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 doo, 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 doo. Come on, you stinking thing. But yeah, one of these days, I'll reach back out to him once I get a nice solid following, and then I can be like, hey, man, look it. We're doing stuff now. Let us back on the show. I'll bring Cowboy with me so we can show the world what the man with the cowboy hat can do. Which, honestly,
Well,
man,
not you.
I don't want to say it out loud, but I kind of do feel like you're an equally as good trader as Patrick. Like, he's a lot more, obviously, he has the entertainment aspect for what he built for his specific branding and stuff like that. And that's really, really, really helped him. And he puts on just absurdly massive trades. So, again, that's what kind of stratosphered him. But, yeah, I feel like consistency-wise and everything else, man, you make damn good trades.
I mean, if we were able to, you know, park some fancy cars and stuff in here. And...
Literally. That's all you need. I mean, bring the 20 trucks over.
Yeah.
Bring every farm truck you have, you know. Just have a squadron of farm trucks behind you. I mean, literally, that's our flex, right?
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Yeah, look, guys, this is my new hay buggy. Look right here.
Right? Or literally, at some point today, which, again, my buddy's still finished on up the stupid pantry. But at some point today, we're supposed to go up and look at those trailers and get that 8.5 by 16-foot trailer today. It's a gorgeous trailer.
Oh, nice.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, no, you ain't.
Huh? Well, that's what I said. I don't think we got time to do it anymore. You could have came with me, Jackie. We could have hung out on the way.
Well, I expect to.
Yeah, Lewis, you may be onto something. I may just need to get some of those toy cars and set them up at the right angle.
Yeah, Lewis. Could you imagine,
May just
actually?
get me a green screen.
That would be
Put me a
pretty
green
funny.
screen behind me.
That would be pretty funny. Oh, darn it. Well, that stinks. Do 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 do. Come on, you devil. All I heard from Greg was a trading retreat in his garden with the goats. That's all you need, man. That's all you need. Actually, yeah, I do have the duckies. I could bring the duckies on stream today. You guys want to see the duckies?
Yeah.
They're starting to get big now, though. Hey, Wyatt.
Can you train those goats?
Bring one
Can
of
you
the
train those
duckies
goats
in.
to give you massages while you're trading?
Yeah, man. Could you imagine? I mean, literally, they love jumping on you. They'll just keep walking across your back and everything, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that's the only thing, is they probably poop all over you. My wife's right. They probably let a couple poops out. That's no big deal.
Just wear your raincoat.
Yeah, exactly. Well, shoot. Man, this is what I did literally on Wednesday. My first trade was an atrocious trade, and then I had to make back $1,000
bring
that
it back.
day. Most people are coding to automate their trading. Greg is training his goats and ducks. Come here, little one. Jetty,
Jet!
leave it alone.
Daddy said to bring one.
Aw.
Oh, look at that.
Look at this guy.
Jet.
Yee.
Jet away.
Say hi to the squad, buddy. Don't poop on my lap or my anything, please.
Come on, let's get.
Here, yeah. What do you think the move is? Is it up or down? Which way are we gonna go? Up or down?
He said down, 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 down.
Down, 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 down. All right. Well, we do have a move going down, 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 down. But right now our money's also going down, 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 down. Aw, sorry, little one. You're okay. What you guys can't see is my friggin' poodle is right here trying to nip at its feet.
No.
Jetty, it's not your ducky. You leave that ducky alone. All right, take him back to his pal. Thank you, baby. Jetty, hey! Don't you nip at it.
Otherwise, I'll nip at you.
Yeah, you stinking dog. Well, shoot. Let's get out of this trade. All right, let's do the next one. Oh, why? Bring the black egg. Man, wait till you see this. We have a black duck.
Yeah?
It finally laid its first black egg. That's crazy. This live stream is sponsored by Aflac. Yeah, literally. All right, Cowboy, help
wish.
me out. I got to go heavy in my next trade, and it has to be a winning trade. So let's see what kind of magic you can give me.
I mean, I was kind of thinking this thing was going to kind of, I mean, I wanted it to be a bear flag kind of, but then I was thinking, well, was this just a pullback to give
Yeah.
us that push? So
Here, show it to the camera.
now I just kind of want to see if it's going to break this.
Look at this. Look at this black egg.
Holy cow.
Isn't that nuts? And it's got like white streaks on it and everything
I'm
too.
gonna wash my hands.
Well, hold on, Wyatt. Bring the egg back first, and then wash your hands. Good boy.
Is this your favorite egg?
That's a cool egg, man.
Big one.
Sorry to interrupt with my egg talk. So what do we do? Are we gonna go heavy, like five micros? Do we think 5 micros, or what are we thinking? Or less than 5 micros?
Well, I mean, look at that right there. I mean, I don't know.
We only got $500 a drawdown.
I mean, we're breaking back out of the box. I mean, I'm not going to lie. I don't know. That's probably dumb. We probably need to wait for a little bit of confirmation. But I mean, that 796 short, if you look at the 5-minute, that looks like that's where it would retrace to then push back down to the bottom. But
Oh man,
That's
I didn't
not
even
a
realize that the
confirmed
previous
yet.
5-minute candle didn't have a wick on it. I would have been all over that a little bit better. News, Greg. News. You're right. You're right.
Oh, yeah.
Good job, guys. 5 minutes. You're right. You're right. You're right. Ugh. Let's just sit here then. Man, so craziest thing last night. So the house we're working on, gorgeous house. It's like 5,000 square foot house. They're closing on it supposedly sometime today, which for the most part is pretty buttoned up. But because it's an under construction home that nobody's living at, like the doors just get left open, of course. It's just what happens. Doors get left open. 8 o'clock last night, we're eating our dinner around a kitchen island. scared the shit out of me because I saw this black streak go running across. A friggin' cat ran into the house.
No.
And then it was the cutest thing, man. It was only maybe like a year old. And it was like, it jumped right up onto the countertop. It stole some of our food, you know. It was like running around. So we just let it hang out with us like mid-project, just like jumping on my buddy's back and stuff like that. Look here. Look at that cat. It literally
Wow.
just jumped into the pantry.
Y'all gave it food. He was your friend forever.
I know,
You
man.
had a cat?
Yeah, dude, look at this video. A cat came into the friggin' house last night. We were playing with it. Josh brought it home.
So it's his cat now?
Well, I think he's going to bring it back today because I don't think it's, you know, it's probably the next door neighbor's cat. It's probably like an indoor-outdoor cat, and this dude just stole a cat. But no, I'll bring it back.
In driving obsession, I mean, this is news that would pass or blow an account, isn't it?
Yeah, 10 o'clock
We got
news.
Jolts. We got Michigan consumer sentiment.
Oh, yeah.
Those are going to be big ones.
So what you're saying...
I'm saying I'm probably not going to do anything, but I did want to say it out loud.
What you're saying is the perfect time for us to make back this account. Well, 3 minutes. This is going to be a long stinking 3 minutes. So we're not going to trade for 3 minutes, guys? Is that what we decided? Seems silly.
Yeah, we might as well just we're not gonna trade, guys, but we're gonna go ahead and blur out our charts. And
And if you see heightened emotion, ignore it.
yeah. That's what I told one of my buddies down here, H-Town Trader. I said, "Man, I'm gonna get you on my stream one time." He goes, "Man," he goes, "I guarantee you're gonna get more views whenever I blow an account and I throw something or yell or holler." And I was like,
Yeah,
I know, bro. I was like, the hardest part for me is to be in a trade on an eval and then blow a funded right below the same screen and try not to change faces.
Yeah. Nothing happened. You're just silently
Yeah.
crying to yourself. We're fine.
Yeah,
We're
yeah.
fine.
I gotta turn the lights out so nobody can see my tears.
Right. Right. Oh.
I mean, look at that. I drew the blue line at the top, and I mean, it just held it, and it just
Just
pushed right through it.
rejected, man. Yeah. Yeah. Still sneaking down to this pocket, this 670s. Yeah, if we didn't have the news, man, I'd be getting a little excited.
Yeah, it makes me kind of want to just long it and see what bad things happen.
Just long it anyways? You won't.
I don't know. We got a minute and a half.
You won't. Yeah, it's going to end up being bad news, isn't it? Bring us down to the 600s. We got a minute and 10 seconds, gang.
I'm gonna try it.
Ooh, you sneaky devil.
And it's already dropping down, but
Yeah, I know. Watch is gonna just friggin' tank our shit.
let me try to make that small enough everybody can see the account get wrecked.
We got 30 seconds left. To the moon, Frankie. To the moon, Frankie. All the way to the 25s. I'm calling out like Babe Ruth. Like Babe Ruth, we're hitting 25 right here. On one candle, we're going up 300. 10 seconds. Uh-oh. If this goes red, my wife's not
See
going to
it?
let me hang
Come
out
on.
with you no more.
Somebody read it. What happened?
Nothing. Big old nothing burger. 10 seconds in, nothing burger so far. Up 25 bucks.
Should we get out?
I kind of probably. This is this is definitely the time to get out.
Oh, shoot.
I mean, it's going up.
Stop filled.
All right, I'm gonna move my stop into profit.
Yeah, just in case it rips.
I mean, we're already up $100. I mean, come
Yeah.
on.
I'm back up. My 25K account is back to 25K. Don't look at the red. God damn it.
Yeah, it's gonna come right down and hit it. Come on.
Maybe the 21 will give it support. I'm just below the 21 here. Let's see.
All right, it just wicked me out.
Me too.
Stop filled.
Now watch it just lawn
Come
darts
on.
300 points. Just. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Great. Yes, that was the right thing to do. Apex for me, sir. Trading Cowboy just has
I'm
a
on
friggin'
lucid
litany.
right now.
He's got
I just spilled my
37
coffee all
fundeds.
over me. No. After the last couple of days, we're a little shy in our pocket.
Oh, a little shy in our pocket, he says. All right, well, we're gonna make it all back in the very next trade. So make sure you guys stay tuned, because this very next trade is gonna be the big one. Man, we are still losing a lot of stinking steam, though. We still hadn't filled that NVIDIA or Q's gap, and that would be to the downside. So if they start going for it, the whole market's going to sink. We have no wick on this 1 minute candle right now. Oh, wait, yeah, we do. It's just hidden by the EMA. Ooh, doo, doo. Man, still dropping. Here's the 700s right here. I mean, at this point, it seems like we definitely want to retest the pivot point at 670s.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on. Do another leg out. I don't have drawdown to mess around like this.
And that's the kind of way I felt yesterday. I mean, that's probably where half of the trades come from, was when
Ah,
I only had
shit.
$300 left in drawdown,
Right.
and I was just trying to get, $4 at a time
Right.
to get it back up to like 500.
Right. Oh, come on. That was a good candle for it to now come down.
I mean, Nvidia, I mean, it crashed, of course. It's still trying to push down, but it's kind of holding at the 21. It almost tested the 200. ES wicked through the 50 and then got a little bounce.
Dang, NVIDIA, yeah.
Stop filled.
Aw, come on.
This is just going to be the longest bear flag in history.
Yeah, and I'm not gonna be able to survive it because the 21 is just barely above my stops, and I can't
Yeah.
push the stops anymore though.
Stop filled.
Nah, shit.
Stop filled.
Come on.
So today on Sink or Swim, guys, we're going to take you live direct to Apex. We're going to sign in. We're going to show y'all live here how a new trader can buy a brand new eval.
Right?
We're going to walk you through step by step.
God damn it. Man, this short is going to work out too. That's the frustrating thing. Is this going to work out?
Well, yeah, I mean, it wicked through the 21, and now it's getting that drop.
I
but-
just couldn't friggin' survive it.
Order filled.
So frustrating. Yeah, look at that stupid ass thing. Right? Literally, that was
Just
my
a little
entry
early,
point.
I
That was
guess.
my entry point for all that shit.
Order rejected. Stop filled. Stop filled.
Hmm. Man, that pivot point 676 is just right there. It seems so juicy.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't it hit it?
Order filled. Order rejected.
Nah.
Order filled.
Man, talk about 137 friggin' trades. That's what we're about to do here.
So now you know what it sounded like yesterday.
Order filled, order filled, order filled, order filled, order filled, order filled. Oh god.
Mine probably sounded like an auctioneer even.
Oh, so frustrating. Hey, Jose.
Jose, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, guy. There's your break.
Fuck you. Right? Come on, man.
Dang it.
You stinking thing. Can we chase a small continuation at least?
Order filled.
Oops.
Order rejected.
How's your trading going this morning, Jose?
Man, have you even taken a trade yet?
Oh, the Nothing Burger News. That was it.
Yeah. Oh, right. Yeah, dude, how sad that was. Huh. Yeah, I gotta.
Yeah, I'm itching pretty bad. My arms are starting to itch.
I
I'm
know.
starting to
I should have
scratch
been.
everywhere.
I should have been a lot more patient today. I've just been.
I really
firing
want to
off.
see it wick through that 76, even down to the 66, but then I don't, because if it would stop here, then we would have a lower high set in kind of from this
Right.
big boner candle right here. But
Yeah.
shoot, I don't know. Let's go back down to 610 real quick.
Filled.
Right.
Quick enough you can't get out too fast. Jose is doing great. Just sold from 720 to 685. Sweet.
Nice, dude. Charles is long. He says he might regret it though. Let's go, guys.
Let's go. Heck yeah.
I mean, yeah, this now is just forming a really long, stinking... Yeah, I got to get out of this. I didn't realize we were right here at the pivot point.
Order rejected.
I mean, yeah, Charles. I mean, I love this right here. I was just wanting it to touch the pivot or even wick down to that 666 area just real fast. I mean, my finger's on the trigger, but actually right beside it because sometimes I get a little antsy.
Yeah, dude, I got to do that too. Right? Like your heartbeat will like pulse your
Yeah.
finger just that tiny little bit, and then yeah, you trigger it. And I'm like, well,
All right, so I'm just gonna go in short right there, small
Long.
right there, and see if we keep getting a little bit deeper. So I'm in at 671 roughly,
Order filled.
and I mean I'm gonna probably, well, I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I may add into this thing all the way down to 630.
yeah.
Here's a little push.
Order filled.
Did anybody get the Discord stream alert while we were? Is anybody getting those?
Oh yeah, did you? Oh, well,
Somebody-
I mean, I
yeah.
guess technically I should have gotten one too. Well, I might not have my Discord notifications on. Stream alert. I mean, you gotta like. Somebody liked it.
Oh, somebody liked it. Nobody that's on here though, huh? They just liked it and went back to bed.
They said, yeah, that's good enough. I showed my support. I showed up.
Yeah.
Still trying to form a little bit of a bear flag here. Man, Nvidia is so close to filling its gap, though. It's only 40 cents away. Oh, Lewis, we literally just created it. Man, I know. So, I've been saying it a billion times, but trying to kind of start two businesses right now. This high-end woodworking thing, and then obviously my trading business here as well. And so I get into waves of like, you know, I'll push hard into one or I'll push hard into the other. So I pushed hard into trading the other day, made a whole bunch of like the Discord stuff, did a little bit with the course outlines, things like that, and then woodworking catches up. So then I dove back into that and didn't even friggin' stream yesterday. And after this job, though, we won't have anything else until like April 12th. So this is our time to kind of formalize like the LLCs and stuff like that, and get the trailer and get the branding and stuff. But luckily, none of that's time sensitive, as in, you know, I can do full stream days and stuff, and I can get kind of back to the trading stuff, get back to the course, and get back to the Discord, and get back to making sure all this stuff is running smoothly.
Yeah.
And also get back to trying to get followers, because goddamn, look at Trading Cowboy. And thank you, everybody, once again, for the like, shares, subscribes, everything else. You've almost broken 700 now, sir, which is very impressive
we're at?
in 3 short months. That's
I'm telling
not
you, man. I mean,
bad.
just, you know, Mark said, me and Mark were talking. He kind of said, "Well, man, I think once you get close to that 500 mark, it'll really go." And I'm like, "Bro, if I get to 500, like, I'm good if we just stop."
Right. And then boom, like 630. You're at
I mean-
630 right now, man. That's amazing.
I was telling them yesterday on the stream. I was like, "Okay, you know, like guys, like when I started, like, I was my first subscriber,
Right.
you know, and
Right.
then I had to go downstairs and tell all the guys downstairs, all right,
Yeah.
y'all are gonna subscribe to my channel,
Yep.
and I want you to log in right now." And I watched all of them, you know, get on and subscribe. So
Right.
after about, I don't know, 2 weeks, I think I had 20 subscribers. So
Yeah. Amazing, man. I know. Literally same thing. I remember being in Publix. You know, I created the account. You had to get 50 subscribers to do a live and stuff like that. And it was like, you know, every day I was getting maybe 1 or 2 or something like that. And I was finally up to maybe
yeah,
13 or 14 or 15. And then I went from 15 to like 40. in just one day, and it was in like 2 hours too. I was like, Jackie, look at this.
Yeah.
No freaking way. Driving Session says it's that song. It pulls people in. Yeah, dude.
Driving
I can't
Obsession.
believe
Have I got a surprise for you, buddy?
a new song.
You tune in today, and you were in one of our new songs we got, buddy.
We got a brand new song today. Dang.
My wife got in. My wife got finished early yesterday with some of her stuff. I say early. It was like 8 o'clock last night.
Yeah.
She got finished with some of her stuff, and
And I
I
said,
was like,
I
hey,
need a
you
song.
know, the guys are kind of asking for some new songs. And she's like, all right. She goes, well, just write down what you want me to put in there. So we got
'Cause,
some
yeah,
new
you
songs
could-
coming, guys.
You could have a full CD, like a full album that just plays,
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
Because right now you're like
Yeah.
looping the same song over and over and over again. You could
Oh
have
yeah,
like,
yeah, and that's what I think I tell them every time, like every 30 minutes, I'm like, guys, if you want me to turn it off, just tell me. But if it's off, all you hear is my chair rolling around, me coughing, me
Right.
blowing my nose,
yeah, yeah,
me
yeah.
huffing because the trade's not working out.
Well, you know, and generalities too, most people probably only stay with you for like, 15 to maybe 30 minutes at a time anyway. So like, that's an
Yeah.
okay amount of time. Like you hear it like 3 or 4 or 5 times, but if it's a brand new song, it really is catchy, and like you kind of start dancing to it and stuff,
That's what Gronky Talking Stuff said. He goes, man, it makes me want to just jump in a trade, and I'm not even logged in. I'm just here watching,
Yeah, man. Lewis, no, it's just free, bud. Just free. It's called The
Not yet,
Collective,
Lewis.
so I mean maybe eventually
Not
one
for our,
day.
not for our first 100 people. So make sure you get in.
Yeah, get the heck in, bud. Hurry up. It's like a ticketing system too. You get like a little pull ticket to let you in.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, maybe one day, if we start providing a whole bunch of value to it and stuff like that, and we have a whole bunch of people in there and blah, 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 But, yeah, right now we're just trying to get as much traction as we can. Dang, is the short is starting to short.
Yeah, it really is. I mean, we had all those nice wicks up.
Let me see.
I put it up in the chat, Lewis, but it'd be better if Greg can do it because then you can just click on it. I don't think you can click on mine.
Oh, geez, I just lost my mouse, too. Alright, Discord. Welcome to Collective. There we go, gang.
Nice.
Yeah, which I really wish that we could change the, I wish we could get a vanity link. I hate that it's, looks like that. Discord.gg/ blah, 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 blah.
Yeah.
I wish you could say, the collective on it instead. Oh, did you add more in? Are you at 7 now?
Yeah, I got down at the. I told you I was going to
'Cause,
add
yeah,
in until the
you're gonna average
6:30.
down to the
6:30 was
6.
kind of the little support area,
Right.
Order
and it may not work. I mean, it's still looking a little weak, but I really thought it would hold at this 6:35-ish.
Well, NVIDIA is so close now. NVIDIA is only 13 cents away from that gap fill, so maybe it's just waiting to hit that gap.
And I guess 6:32 is our VWAP on the 5, so
And our 200,
just a
which
hope
is
and a prayer now.
613, our 200 on the 5 is at 613. So maybe just a little reaction down and then a popper up.
There we go.
Come on, baby.
Come on, baby. That's how you know we've been in the room too long together when we say the same thing.
I was
seconds
literally
apart.
just going to say our vernacular and everything. Right, just dialed in. We're locked in. That's too
All
funny.
right, I took about half off right there.
Yeah.
Stop filled.
There we go. There we go. Come on, baby.
Real nice push.
All right, I'm gonna
Let's
take.
see if we can
All right, I
get
took
up
everything
even
off
more.
but one.
Let's see if we can get up a little more.
And that should have been our original entry. We went in a little early, but I hope you're recording this, Greg. There's 50 points.
Yeah, it's not bad so far. I'm in and posted. Thank you, Lewis.
Sweet.
That's what we needed. I mean, in all honesty, now they knew that, now that they know that Lewis is in it, they're going to start flocking. Might be getting stopped out of the last one. Well, I'll bring it down to where you have it. Oh, shoot, I didn't bring it down fast enough. Oh, well.
I mean, it kind of hit that 50 kind of on a 1 minute. I guess it hit the 29. You know, I've kind of learned that the 50 on a 1 minute is the 9 on a 5 minute.
Yeah,
So I guess it makes sense if you divide it out, but
yeah. Which I think I have the 45 here actually instead. Yeah, I have the 9, 21, and 45. I'm going to switch that to the 50.
somebody was telling me yesterday that the 45 is what they use on the stream.
Huh. Yeah, that was Ruben Garcia. He used the 45, which it didn't really
And then
adjust it that much.
There's the guy. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah, that was it. I was just saying it didn't really adjust it.
There was a guy, Roman, that came on yesterday that was telling me about the MACD, which we used to use. We used to use the MACD, the Bollinger Bands. I mean, I had everything. You couldn't even see the. I mean, I wasn't even using the, the candles. I mean.
Right. Yeah,
But,
that was 100% me.
He said that the MACD shows the 12 and the 26.
Uh-huh.
But.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We have to get a good trade in.
Oh, it looks like it wigged me out, huh?
Man, my computer's just been so slow lately.
We get a lot running on these little things. I mean.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, even my little MacBook right here. I mean, this thing gets pretty warm.
Dude, that's why I need to get that Terminator case like that house we're working on has. That thing was bananas looking.
Yeah.
Just control everything.
That's insane. Oh. Should have just left it at the low, huh?
Man, yeah, still pushing, huh? VIX is going down pretty good. We really don't have a bottom, not the best bottom wick though. We're just kind of pushing right now.
Yeah. It kind of looked like it was rejecting off that pivot point, so that's why I didn't do anything. And now we kind of rejected off the 50. So. Well, right back up. Wow. The Bulls don't want to give up.
Order filled.
Little reaction down. See if we can break through the 200 on the 1 minute again. I mean, if it breaks 690 again, I think then probably up is the way.
Yeah, we got to. I mean, if this is going to be an inversion, but man, that one big green candle kind of confuses the little inversion a little bit. So
Yeah. Man, it really is crazy though. It just shows that like I don't know, the mental game about this whole thing. You know, I was doing so well for 10 days in a row there. Then came to the stream with zero sleep, took a day off, you know. And now I'm kind of back into my old habits of just trying to play every single stinking candle, you know.
it's been hard here lately. I mean, especially like yesterday, streaming for so long is just waiting because it was super choppy, and
Yeah.
I'd be like, all right, guys, I'm gonna buy one micro right here, and then we're gonna wait 20 minutes, and I'm gonna try to sell it at the top here. And
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, it was just repeatedly over and over. So
Wow. Wow.
maybe we'll see Grunky Tonk here in just a second. I just texted, hey man, where you at? Get on.
Nice,
See,
man.
they're gonna hate me in the Discord, guys. They're gonna be like, why
Where
are
you
these
at?
guys calling us out? We thought.
Yeah, where the heck you at? That's funny.
Order filled. Order
All right, there's a good push down.
Oh no, my computer stalled
Oh,
out.
damn it.
God damn it.
I shouldn't have said it, huh?
Oh.
Order filled. Order rejected.
Man, it's so stinking wiki.
Huh? So I don't know.
Fuck me. Yeah, that's not good. Everything's curling up.
I don't know, Grunky Tonk. Grunky Tonk said he can't hear Greg at all, and the live chat isn't on either. The last one we had was from Lewis.
Order filled.
Hello? Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me now?
And I'm just getting it through the Discord, so. Can you hear us now?
Yeah, let us know, guys. Oh, you mean the Discord is there?
Well, I mean, I think he's on. No, I think he's on the YouTube,
But yeah,
he said the
messaging
live
through
chat
the
isn't working
Discord
either.
that they
so.
can't. That they can't hear me.
I'm not doing anything on the Discord.
The
so.
goat is here from the brink of
Lewis said he can hear both of us.
10:23. The live isn't there. Oh, Gronky Talk might have gone directly to yours.
Well,
Maybe
I sent him a message said Greg Tarsha sink or swim.
Yeah.
Come on, Grunky Tonk, get over here.
Get on over here. We need you. We're doing terrible with these trades today.
Man, what a crazy deal to get all those wicks to the bottom and then not.
Yeah.
We're just starting to range a little bit.
Yeah. EMAs are starting to curl up a little, though. Oh, hello. Come on up. Come on up, you.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nope. The devil.
Order filled.
Well, there goes that one.
Order rejected.
Yep. God damn.
Hey, we have a place for those though. So
We do
that's
have a
nice
place
that you
for
don't
these,
have
though.
to
Yeah, I guess I should screenshot it for the friggin' cemetery. Oh. Boo.
moment of silence, guys.
Alright, where's the snipping tool? Man, I was doing actually very well on that account until fucking yesterday and today. Oh, why is the snip not working? Whoa. There we go. Now it's working. Oh, wait. Yeah, but there's stupid. Oh, god damn it. There we go. Now it worked. Alright, we got it. We did it. We got our cemetery friggin' thing now. Great. Hey, Gronky Tonk. What's up, big dog?
There
Good to
he
see
is.
you,
There
son.
he is.
As I'm showing off my shame. Enjoy the streams, Greg. Love a supporting trading community. Yeah, man. Yay. Damn it.
I think I'm gonna have to call him Big Scotty though.
Big Scotty,
I like that
Lewis.
better.
Lewis and Big Scotty, dude. I love the love the goat thing you just posted in the Discord. That's phenomenal. All right, we gotta shake it off. Look at this. We got 7 people in our Discord right now, gang. That's pretty stinking cool. Damn,
Closed out a
Big
winner's returns with tier listening
Scotty.
today unless a great setup comes up. I don't need much stress on Friday. Amen to that, Gronky Tonk.
Yeah. Yeah, that was my problem too. I guess a bit of overconfidence. I was 10 days green in a row, so I went into this thing. Well, yesterday I went into it with no friggin' sleep. Yesterday or today I went into it with too much confidence again. Dude, great job though, Lewis. Hell yeah, man.
I mean, not to brag or anything, Lewis, but I did beat you on blown evals. So.
Ha ha ha! Got him. Got him. Pure trades, highly quality setups. Yeah. Yes, 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 yes. Man, I think we have a little bit of credibility to the long, but again, Nvidia is just so stinking close to the gap fill now. Oh, there it is. Nvidia
Yeah.
just filled its gap. Now Qs still have not filled their gap. Qs would still have a little ways to go. Still another $2 to drop for Qs. We're basically right in the middle of this range, rejected off of our pivot point. I've traded small cap for 3 years now. Nice. And got sucked into the payout to account ratio. So since November, I've been locked in, and now I wouldn't have it any other way. Hell yeah, buddy.
Nice. Heck yeah.
So nice little bounce off right above our VWAP here.
Yeah, if it holds this 54, I almost bought it at that 54, and then I was like, well, let me wait a second. It wicked down here lower.
Yeah.
I've got an alert at 666 just on SPY. I'll look for a reversal there if it goes there. 666.
Yeah, that would be kind of like Q's filling its gap, basically.
Okay. Yeah, kind of that low on there. So maybe even, yeah, that 666.78 or something's probably where I would start buying. Let us know, Gronky Tonk. I may jump in there. Well, Greg, we should have bought it that second time it wicked down there.
Yeah, bud.
Uh,
Is today Friday the 13th?
guys.
Dang. Spooky,
well,
man.
so that explains what just happened, Chop Trader.
That's what
so.
just happened, man. We just blew a count on Friday the 13th, which makes a lot of stinking sense. Oh, let's see. No wick on the bottom of this candle. That always excites me.
I've only used Top Step and Tradify, but next month I'll look at Lucid. Are they good? You know, I like Lucid. It kind of a lot like Tradify, I guess. I like that, you know, I buy the flex accounts. I like that you can buy those. You got a 50% consistency rule on the eval, so you can do, you know, you literally can do 1,500 one day, 1,500 the next on a 50K. The second day, as soon as you get that 3,000 done, you get that 1,500 within 5-10 minutes on your dashboard. It'll have it where you can upgrade it. You can click upgrade, and before you can log back into Tradeovate, it's ready to go and play your funded. So you can jump in and start trading that day. So.
Trying to loosely test this short here since we don't have a wickety wick, but you know, we are basically double bottoming right now as well.
Yeah, same as Top Step. I guess you're just using Project X on Top Step, Lewis. Is that what you're using on? I guess. Top Step X, I think is what they call it. I just had one of their accounts renew. Well, it's been a week. I haven't even logged into it, but it renewed from a month ago, I guess, when we had when Tradeovate was down, and I bought those.
Oh yeah.
I had one to renew, so I need to log in there and trade it, see if I can get it passed. But the only good thing about Lucid, because Top Step, what do you pay, like $50, and then you pay like 100 and something or do they have they changed theirs now? But Lucid, you can pay like $90, and that's, you know, you got to pass it. But if you pass it, I mean, you're all in at like $91 on the flex, and then there's zero consistency after that. So I think they scale you in. I think you can only trade 2 minis until you get like $1,000 in there, and then you can go up to 4, I think. But. And see, I started with Top Step. I mean, they were super good to me, but man, the slippage that I seen and stuff on there. I mean, I love the whole setup, but I noticed Trade Evate's a little bit faster, a little bit better. Some days you can see some
Damn.
slippage, but
Just cleaned up that wick. Didn't hold it long enough. But maybe now there's finally the wick to go. No, I guess not yet.
I'm kind of worried. I jumped in a few small ones right there, but now I'm kind of worried that we may have to come down to this 603, 595 area.
Well, this is we're hitting the 200 on the 5-minute right now, so that's always a good reaction up point. But I will say, you know, again, Q's is so close to filling the gap now. I'll start building a little guy with you. Just in case. I mean, hopefully, basically, Q's fills the gap and then rounds up.
Got a lot of pressure to the downside, but maybe right here's the...
Oh, yeah, Q's is... Man, I don't know. So, like,
I'm gonna
so many
buy
times, too,
eval today, lucid or take profit. That's tough, Jose. I mean, the only negative, I mean, I love take profit because, I mean, you can trade anything. I mean, I think you can even trade gold on there, you know, but for somebody new, if it's not Jose that's a seasoned vet, if it's somebody new, take profit trader when you're on the eval, that's end of day drawdown.
Damn.
But when you go into the funded, it's instant drawdown. So it's trailing drawdown until you get over your buffer. So that hurts a lot of people, especially when they don't play like that on the eval. So Lucid doesn't do that. They're end of day drawdown all the way around. And so the other thing too with Lucid, don't push it, but if you're pushing it, you can be funded, you know, if you started today, Monday, you could pass it and be funded Monday. Take profit trader, no matter if you pass it in 2 days, you got to wait 5 days before you can activate your funded. So you have to flip 3 days in it.
Man, Q's came 50 cents from filling its gap. We basically wicked the 200 and then came back up.
So are you telling me this is a bear flag, or you telling me we got to keep coming down a little?
I think it is going to come down just a little bit more, and then I'm hoping once we fill that gap, we're going to get a really good reaction up. So we're probably going to come down to like the 584s. And then I think we'll have a strong reaction up, hopefully. Come on, Q's, hurry up.
And I say all that, Jose, that I would prefer Lucid right now, but they still won't give me an affiliate membership. So
I know it. Oh, I know. Apex 2 responded back to me finally, and they're like, no. we're not accepting any new, you know, influencer applicants at the time. You know, we're trying our best to roll out the new website, new features, and do this and do that. I'm like, man.
Yeah.
Come on, Q's. Yeah, me too, Charles. My God. Which again stinks because I was doing so stinking good.
But Jeevers.
Keeps going. I mean, again, Q's are so stinking close now. Q's are so close.
Time to shorten out. Yeah, I'm afraid if I turn around, it'll rocket ship now.
Man, 10 seconds for Q's. 10 seconds to fill that gap.
Order filled.
Me and Greg may get to use the same casket on those evals.
Fuck me. I might throw 3 bodies in there. Well, the day's done. What the hell's going on here?
Yeah, this is my last add-in, and then I'm out.
Alright, Q's just filled their gap. Ooh. Q's definitely filled his gap.
Run across real quick.
Alright,
I need flour.
I love you.
Order filled.
You need flour? Can't make flour?
I need
Order
fresh
filled.
flour for the stand.
Oh, okay.
I'm not confident in making the flour to use yet.
Order filled.
Don't forget when you do animals in the morning, baby duckies also need fresh water and food.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
I just gave them fresh water and food.
Okay. Alright, love ya.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, baby. Looking for yesterday's lows. I agree with that. I wish I was going that direction.
Ah, shit.
All right, give me one little pop. I'll get out, and I promise I won't do it again till the next candle.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, I'm getting out. Oh, all right, I got 5 left.
Stop.
Fuck yeah, bud.
That was a close one, guys.
Order filled.
Runners
I'm
at
up.
75.
I'm up $380 on the day, boys. Shoo! Look at that. Look at
All right,
that.
I'm out right there. I'm
And
up
look at this account,
356.
$51,194.
But if you noticed a while ago, I was negative, what, 1600 at the bottom of that candle?
Damn, dude. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Shoot, man. I'm going to hold her for a little bit. Look at me. Look at me,
Look at
Charles.
Big Greg in the
Look at
house.
me, Charles. Nope.
I'm going to try to play this. Y'all tell me if it's too loud. Here we go.
Yay!
That too loud?
Congratulations, Greg!
Boots on the desk, coffee ring on the blotter. Sun ain't up yet, but I'm hunting for dollars. Got my hat tip low, screen glow,
what's up,
hitting
Roach?
my eyes. Little heat in my cheeks as the future
Yeah, just ask
start to
Mama.
rise. Charts look like canyons, red dust on the line. I'm roping in those breakouts, one tick at a time. Finger on the trigger, heart on the wire, every little flick of fees at 5.
Dude, it really is so impressive, man.
Push Nasdaq, push those candles green, let's
It's going, Greg. It's going.
Yeah, of course now. And look at it, it was right where I got stopped out, too. I got stopped out and then I turned around.
Hey,
Dude,
so it
that's-
looks like that song works.
That-
She labeled that "Push Those Candles."
Yo. That's really impressive, man. It's really impressive. Those are good songs. That's not bad. That was like, actually, I was in a really good band way back in high school.
Yeah.
And my buddy just now started going through and like remastering our songs from back in the day. with AI's help a little bit. But yeah, same thing. This is one of my songs from. This is my song from high school. I was the drummer.
Heck yeah.
It was emo music, so sorry if you guys don't like emo music. A little different than cowboy music. Yeah, let's get to some exciting stuff. Hold on. Oh, there you go. Get a little screaming in there. Man, I remember coming up with those lyrics too. This is in like, you know, my freshman, sophomore year of high school. And literally the lyrics for the breakdown is, all I am is just a shattered glass spread across your floor, and I can't take it anymore. How emo is that? It was like, who hurt you, you know? Who hurt you? Oh my God, two different worlds, both of you. Well, but also you have to remember, that was my world back then, and now I'm ducks and goats and lifted truck world. So that's like Cowboy's world, you know?
Yeah, he's moving over to my world.
Yeah, man.
And just wait, Charles, Gronky Tonk Man. Y'all just wait till y'all hear some of the ones I got today. So I'm not going to say y'all are in them, but y'all may be in them.
That's awesome. That's pretty cool, man. That's clever.
And I'd plan for you right now, but then I wouldn't see y'all later. So
Getting that little tease. Getting him with
all
that.
right, guys. You know me. I bought it when it wicked through that bottom again.
Ooh, the only thing I don't like is it doesn't have a wick on the bottom of that candle.
Yeah. I may sell a few of these out, but oh man, right back down. We may be in trouble already. I didn't sell any of them. I mean, naturally, I bought it as it pushed up.
Right.
It pushed up 20 points, and I just sat there and watched it. What do we have? Oof. Maybe I should have looked at NVIDIA first, eh?
Yeah. I don't even look. I just.
It's kind of got a little support right there.
There we go. Little pop back up. Little pop back up.
Gronky Tongue, I went from heavy metal to hippie music. Now I love country music all day. I always said I would like country, and now it just makes sense to me. Well, I hope so, because you're in a country song now, Gronky Tongue.
Stop filled.
What are you having popcorns for? I see you over there with your popcorns.
Dad, why are you playing with wanna watch spaceships?
He gave it to me.
Wait, what?
Yeah. He said this one was mine. He said it was for keeps.
Yeah, but I want one.
Well, he can probably make you one too. I bet you he can make you one too. Come on, let's get that push up to the 21. Can we get 597?
Yeah, why not? Come on.
No. He said no.
I'll be back in the same boat in a minute, ain't I? Lots of selling pressure. You're right, Chop Trader.
Yeah.
I thought I should have learned my lesson a while ago, but I mean, now I don't really see any stop until maybe we'll get a bounce at the 22s, but I really don't want to sit in here like I did last time.
Right.
Naturally, I'll do it for the chat.
Ah. Stopped out.
Stop filled.
Man, yeah, my computer is so slow. I don't get it.
Kind of wicked right through that 512 support. I wasn't expecting that.
Huh. Shoot, yeah, it almost seems like it wants to come down to the 24 fours. I mean, we got a pivot point 100 points below us.
Yeah, I mean, there's nothing right here to. I'm not really sure why it's bouncing. There's nothing here to make it bounce. Not anywhere close, anyway. Okay, we had a little bit back here yesterday, I guess.
Nvidia's nearing what might potentially be support, though.
Oh.
Nope. I can't push it up here.
Why are you trying to get behind there? I don't want you to get squashed.
Because I don't want Jet to get my popcorn.
Oh, yeah, we definitely.
Gronky Tonk, it blew right through that 666. Spies at 665 now.
Yeah.
Daddy.
What? Trying to get out? Uh-oh, now you squashed Jet instead.
Oh no, he's getting me.
Alright, careful, because you don't got pants on. Our followers don't need to see that. So when we pop over to you, whenever we're on your stream, you're the sheriff and I'm the deputy? Is that how it goes?
Do we swap?
That's freaking awesome, man. That's actually kind of cool.
Dad, don't talk.
Why not talk?
Because I want to do something with my popcorn.
You said go along where you're stopped. That's right, Gronky Tonk. That's exactly right. I told him yesterday, you know, figure out where you want your stop before you enter the trade, and then put your entry at the stop.
Yeah, bud. Yeah. Yeah, they heard you. They heard you in your popcorn, you nutty.
All right, we're kind of getting a little traction, maybe. I was just kind of watching back here at that level.
Hey, what are
I really don't want to come all the way down to that pivot point.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a long ways.
you doing?
Man, everything just waterfalled. Here we're like 446. That would be good support at 440s. Still wants to friggin' push.
Order filled.
I think we can see 450 pretty easy, Chop Trader. I don't know. I'm kind of thinking at least the 458, 460 area, but
Huh, it is 11:01 though. We did just start a new 1 hour.
what does that look like? Don't look very good yet.
No. Yeah, I mean, even on the 1 hour, it looks like it needs to come down to like 450 to find that support.
Yeah.
Stop filled.
Hey, Greg, what's your trading setup looks like? You're sitting in an egg chair trading off a coffee table. Yeah, man. I mean, honestly, it is kind of this little makeshift thing. Oh, you know what's the best way to do that? Probably do it on here again. Man, my room is so messy right now, though. Nobody wants to see this shit. Ugh. Yeah, I made an impromptu, basically, little setup in here. Because I was streaming out of my Airstream for the longest time, you know? And then I decided I wanted to video ninja. Yeah, man, it's so messy in here. This is going to be embarrassing. I don't even want to show this if I'm being honest. Oh, where is it in here? iPhone video. Ha! Yeah, it actually worked. That's kind of cool. And turn that off. Man, this is the setup. Woo! Look at that.
Heck yeah.
So I got all you beautiful people. You know, I got Cowboy up here nice and big so I can actually see his stinking screen now. You know, got my camera, got all this stuff. Here's my egg chair. I'm actually wearing pants today. You know?
We appreciate that.
But here's the cool thing, man. Here's my view. Look at my view. Oh, it's not
Nice.
zooming in. Why doesn't it zoom in? But yeah, we have a pretty nice pool and pretty nice setup out here. Look at that. Hi, puppies. Yeah, so I'm just squashed in the corner. Yee, look at that. Oh, so that's it, man. That's kind of the excitement. But yeah, the view is amazing. This is a small house, though. If I'm being honest, my last house was 3,500 square feet. This one's only like, I don't know, maybe 2,000 square feet. But man, you couldn't beat the view. It's 3 acres. It's literally on John's Lake. It's a massive skiable lake. So it's worth it just to have the outdoor living that we have now. There we are. Now we're back. Dude, right? Yo, the view is insane. And the portion of the lake that you saw is only like 1/16 of it. The far end where you saw that tree line, there's a little canal. So you cut through that canal. It only takes you like 2 minutes to cut through. But then you get the huge portion of the lake. There's kind of like maybe like 6 amoebas to this lake. This is the smallest one. And then there's one amoeba that's like 10 times larger than all of them put together.
Nice.
But yeah, man, just a little impromptu thing. We are very messy though. We're very messy here. Every time I speak to someone in the U.S. or Canada, it makes me hate the U.K. even more. Oh man, come on down, bud. I mean, literally, the next time you're in Orlando, let us know. Though unfortunately, man, I said that to friggin' Marco, and I feel terrible. I don't know, man. He was busy for the first 2-3 weeks he was here, and that was when I wasn't busy, coincidentally enough. And then finally, like the last 2 weeks, he's like, "All right, I'm ready. Let's do this." And now all of a sudden, I'm just slammed. Like I haven't even seen my wife in a couple days. It feels like. I try to get to U.S. Canada once a year. Florida's a great place to come, though. Obviously, you got to do Texas and Florida. You got to make the rounds. You got to see Cowboy, then you got to come over here.
Yeah. May come here first. That way you feel better when you see Greg, because if you go to Greg's first and then here, you'll probably be disappointed for sure.
Yeah, with your 30, your friggin', this dude has a fleet of trucks on his property and he's trying to downgrade it.
Well, we're super flat and dry here, so
yeah.
Come here first, and then you can go enjoy the beach and the water.
The beach and the water, yeah. Well, so, same thing. Florida, for the most part, is relatively flat, but insanely enough, where we are in Claremont, I don't know, because the ocean or something, it would build up these giant sand dunes and shit, and then that's what we were built on. So we actually have elevation changes here. Like, you can go, like, up 50 feet, down 50 feet on the roads and stuff. It's flat in the UK, just pancake. Tempted to come out for the World Cup. Wow. Where's the World Cup going to be? I forgot about that. Trump was talking about that, wasn't he? He was getting all excited. Gonna head to Colorado December, January to snowboard. Nice. And check out the culture. Man, I haven't snowboarded in forever. I used to be a really avid snowboarder. Jack, get out of there. You silly stinking dog. Man, Cowboy's still blasting this long skis. It's starting to look real good. See if we can't copy him on a trade and make a little money. We got to break through this 21 here. That would be nice. Now if we could get all the way up here to this 570s, that would be nice. Let's hope we don't get a 21 rejection. It's looking okay so far, though. Here's a new candle for us. See if we can poke our head through. There we go. That's looking good for the longs.
Not bad, huh?
Looking real good for the longs. We're back up to 51,100 on this account, which we're excited about. Stalling out just a little.
Stop filled.
Nah, kept it a little tight. Yeah, ES is having a good response back up. So where did we end up coming all the way down to? We ended up hitting 460s. Interesting. So we didn't come to the 446 that we were kind of expecting. My girlfriend keeps asking to go to Disney in Orlando. There's some big bucks. There's some big money. Man, there's been so many articles that keep coming out talking about how much debt people put themselves into and how long it takes them to pay it off when they go to a Disney vacation. Because everybody kind of sometimes people will say okay, this is our one and only time we're going to Disney, and then it ends up being a $15,000 vacation and they're paying for it for 2 years. Hi, you.
Daddy, who do this?
Well, I don't know what it is. Oh, okay.
Disney.
Did Mama say you can watch some Disneys?
Well, she wasn't here.
Where's the Mama's at? Oh, right. She went out to Costco. I forgot. She'll be back soon. I love you. Costco's. Man, up 50 points on this stinking trade.
Like it's nothing, right? I mean, after we lost everything, now it's like,
Yeah, I know it.
oh, it's,
Yeah, now that all hope is dead. All hope is dead. Not my thing, but that may bring me to Florida. Yeah, bud. We still gotta get Cowboy to Florida. I think you need to come
yeah. I
on
mean,
over
we
here,
were
sir.
there. We were there before we knew each other. Probably a month or two before we started
No
streaming together.
way. How often do you
Yeah,
come
we
to
went
Florida? Do you
to.
come to Florida often or not really?
No, we went on one of those 10-day Bahama cruises,
Yeah.
and
Uh-huh.
we stopped at Key West for the day and over to the
Nice.
Bahamas, and
Nice. Shoot, man. Yeah, it seems like we do want to pop up here. We just keep popping and popping and popping and popping and popping. Chopping and chopping and chopping and chopping and chopping.
Order filled.
Oh, man. My computer is just not working.
yeah, I mean, there's 60
today.
points right there, guys. Come on.
Right? Not bad.
I don't know why I just went in with one contract. I had 40 a while ago.
Not bad, gang. Not bad, gang. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, 3,000 contracts a second ago. There we go. Come on. Hit that 45. You can do it. You can do it. You hit that 45. Not bad, man. Well, there you go. Our afternoon session's better than our morning session.
Here we go. This is pretty funny. I don't know if y'all can see it very good in the camera, but we were in Key West and we went parasailing.
Oh.
Recommended for everybody, but here was our captain, and he was acting like he was going to cut our.
That's funny, man. Dang. Did
Super
you
cool,
see the
though.
video, though, where the people were up there in high winds in Mexico, and their tether really did snap? And you just see them, like,
Oh, yeah.
sailing above, like, everything. I was like, damn.
Yeah.
And you never actually see what
I
happened to
literally
those
showed a
people
couple of
either.
those to my wife, like right after we got on the boat, like when it was too late. You know, I was like,
Yeah.
"Here, check these out."
Yeah. Dang, that's so funny.
Super
we
cool
go.
though, man. And I was, we had this couple that we had dinner with like the night before. They sat right beside us, and he was 87 and she was 84.
Yeah.
Cute little couple, and couldn't hardly walk. I mean, so we get our stuff and we get to Key West. We get down there. We get ready we go shopping and stuff and eat the key lime pie. All this tourist stuff, and
Yeah.
then we get ready to go on our parasailing. We go down to the dock and we're sitting there waiting, and then here they come, and they walk all the way down. They have to have help going down the ramp to the boat dock.
Yeah.
And I'm like, "What are y'all doing?" They're going, "Oh, we're going to do this little parasailing deal." And I'm like, "Really?" Like, really? Bro, it was a breeze. I mean, those guys are so good at that.
Yeah.
I mean, they latched them in, hooked them to the deal, and said, "All
Yeah.
right, just sit down." And then, boom, they were gone.
It just ripped them up,
So cool.
dude. Wow, man.
But I would have never thought, like, if I was doing it, I'd be like, y'all are too old. I'm sorry." But man, I mean,
Yeah,
they were, and they
man.
loved it. I
Yeah.
mean, he was screaming, she was screaming, and he goes, "Can we do it again? How much does it cost to do it again?"
I mean, that's the level you want to be at that age, you know?
Oh
Like-
yeah, for sure.
That's phenomenal. You're just still killing it with your partner. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
really cool stuff.
for real.
Yeah, I love that, man. Wow. Yeah, that's got to be an interesting job being one of those operators. I got to imagine those
Oh,
people,
yeah.
for the most part, are just wild human beings.
Yep, for sure.
All right, what the heck are we thinking here? You're still in your nice little longie.
I mean, I was hoping for that I was hoping for the VWAP up here at the 600s, but
Yeah, I mean, at this point, you'd almost think as long as it can get through this, we might have a little bit of a little retest maybe at the 517s for then it to keep going up. We're forming a nice
I mean,
little
we are
bull
getting
flag.
pretty slow right now.
Yeah.
And I did it all based off the 1 hour because you told me that 1 hour was opening. It
Yep.
pushed down and broke that wick. And when it came back up to that at 2 this morning, we had a shoulder at 480. So when it came back through there, that's when I bought into that.
Yeah.
And it's working out. So
I like it. I like it. Interesting that we didn't come down to that pivot point. I thought that was going to be a pretty juicy target for us as well.
and this may be a bounce to do that, but man, how many times have they tricked us here lately where
Right.
we think, oh yeah, we're fixing to get that pivot point.
Right. And then it just rips. It just goes
Yeah.
instead.
I mean, how many entered that kind of bear flag, you know, at 11:05? How many entered that, and then it just came down a hair, and then it rocketed to the top? Because they were probably thinking, okay, I'll enter here and I'll ride it to that pivot point.
Uh-huh. She went to Costco.
If it breaks the 21 on the 1 minute here, though, if it doesn't get back over the 9, I'll just exit it, and we'll wait. But
Well, man, I was kind of thinking that, you know, the 516s might be that good bounce point for it.
Danielle, are y'all ending the week green? Well, it depends on which account you're talking about. So this account, yes, we're green on it right now. A couple fundeds I'm already green on.
I think it's tomorrow.
We had to lay a few evals to rest a while ago. So
Yeah.
When is St. Patrick's Day?
so if you're not in our Discord, Danielle, it's pinned at the top of Greg's deal right there.
Yeah.
If you want in, it's free.
Well, piggy.
Are we gonna be up there when that goes up?
We post there daily. We got a lot of, we're just starting it, so it's real fresh and new. But if you want to see our blown evals, our blown fundeds, if you want to see Big Scotty and all his wins for the year so far, if you want to see driving
Yeah.
obsession stuff,
Yeah.
good news post AI stuff for us in there,
Yep.
you know, jump in. It's free right now. Get in while you can.
That's cool. We have people hanging out in there too.
Yeah, isn't it crazy? Super cool.
Man down, he says. That's so funny. That's actually that was a better way to post it. Just take a picture like that. I'm trying to overcomplicate it, taking screenshots and stuff.
How much longer are you planning on doing this?
I don't know, a little bit. What are you trying to do?
Like noon?
Yeah, driving good session. Only free for the next 5 minutes. Yeah, we're only doing it for the first 100. And we don't have a counter on there, so.
but if you join now, you get a free
Yeah.
flashlight.
And that's eventually, I think, we're kind of working out. I mean, once we kind of, you know, once we start being able to give away accounts and stuff, I mean, it's going to first be to our subscribers and to our Discord members, right? I mean, we're going to treat them right first.
Yep.
So you want to be a part of this now.
Yep. All right, let's see. So come down to 526. Danielle, same thing. Same thing. Unfortunately, I was 10 green days in a row until this guy right here. This one's doing okay though. I'm up 300 on this one. This one, well, we're up 1124 on it so far. All right, let's see. Maybe for a little bounce.
All
Oh,
right,
you
so
let
I
yourself-
added into that right there. Got like another 10, 20 points, and now look at it. Don't get out,
Damn.
Greg. Hold,
Damn.
Greg. Hold.
Hold that baby. Hold that baby.
Stop fills.
Dang it, why is my chat GTP not working now?
Yeah, driving obsession. Sorry, trying to elevate the situation. Yeah, we got to get people excited, right? Driving obsession.
Yeah, bud. We appreciate that.
That's what I watched. I don't even remember what it's called now, but the new TV show with Nate Bargatze, the greatest average American or something.
What?
Well, yeah, it is kind of funny. I mean, it's kind of funny, but your answers are basically based off what the average human answers, you know. So that's
Yeah.
what you have to guess is what everybody else guessed. But on their deal, they were for the giveaway. If the lady or guy won on one of the deals, everybody got a case of Bush beans. And
No
since they didn't
way!
win, everybody got one can of Bush beans. So that's
Yeah.
what we're doing here. If, you know, you get in Discord, everybody gets a can of Bush beans.
Dude, right? Or like a fucking Idaho potato. We send everybody
Yeah.
one Idaho potato.
Yeah.
That's super funny. Alright, now it's working. Let's see. Where the heck? He created a...
Yeah, E.M. Harmon knows. I guess she's seen the greatest average American.
Let's see. What kind of caption we about to do?
All right, Big Scotty, we appreciate you stopping by, buddy. We'll see you next week.
Yeah, appreciate you, man. Heck yeah. We'll see you in the Discord as well, big dog. You. Have a good one, man. Have a good one. There we go. Posted.
Heck yeah.
That's fun. I like that. Man, you're going heavies. Well, not heavy for you.
Yeah, I kind of, man, it wicked through, bounced up. I went in, and now it's just,
Stalling out a little.
And I can actually call people on it too.
What?
Yeah.
That thing's really
I
cool.
just
I can't
saw-
believe that was only 24 bucks.
Like, look at it. It shows that you can call people.
Yeah. Well, you probably, yeah, but usually because it's a Bluetooth function that needs to be connected to a cell phone. So I don't think you'll be able to call people with it. I think it needs to be connected to either Mama's phone or mine. It'll be just like Mama's watch.
But that's what it's gonna look like. But I got it in black.
You spent $60 on this thing?
No.
Jeez, that's what that says it is.
Huh.
I would talk to Mom about it though, but I don't think it's gonna work with the way that you want it to. Hey, thanks for joining in, Danielle. We thoroughly appreciate
Yeah,
you.
appreciate it.
Heck yeah. Enjoy your day, your weekend. Try to stay green. And we'll rock and roll with you again soon.
Why so quiet? I don't know, Charles. I don't know.
Yeah,
Man, it
man.
just seems like the
Sorry.
market just kind of slowed down.
Yeah, dude. Market slowed down. I don't know. It's 11:30. We blew an email each today. This account's doing okay. I'm up 317 on this, so I obviously don't want to screw this one up on my way out. But yeah, bud, I know. I got to get back into the swing of things with trading and get back to some excitement here. Ugh. It's always hard when you take a day off. For anything, right? It's just like Newton's law.
Yeah, for sure.
You know?
For sure. I took a long, that's why the market dropped, FYI.
Just short and close your eyes, says Charles. What is our target then, bud? What are we targeting? I mean, you could target London
I think
Rose.
I think I'm going to be a pretty big player on SPY if it gets to 664 and just see
Yeah.
if we get a bounce off that pivot point. That's kind of what I'm looking at.
664.
Yeah, we got a pivot point at 664.07. If it gets down there,
Yeah.
I think I may buy like some, I don't know.
Do you like?
I may buy a couple 0 day and maybe a few for next week.
So you like
Because I think
Sorry.
wasn't I don't know Gronky Tongue remembers, but I kind of think 663 or something was that our low or something earlier, or maybe yeah, I think that's what it was. That day we had like that $20 drop. So
man,
And
the
that
only
may
thing
be
that
crazy,
stinks
but-
though, guys, is on the way to these lows. Are we gonna get it one more pop back up?
yeah,
Or, you know, yeah, it's just kind of hard, man, because this could also be double bottom. This could also be just double bottom resistance point to pop back up another 50, 60, 70 points and then go down. Or this could
Right,
just be
yeah.
a W-shaped recovery that just keeps going up and you're going to keep short and short and short. And, all right, now we're going to go heavy with the short. Oh, shit. Now we're going to go even heavier with the short at the 200. Oh, shit. Now we're, you know.
Charles or
662
Chop Trader
on
playing
SPY.
double bottom on 2 minute. That's the only reason I stayed in Chop Trader, but 662 on SPY is about the lowest. Okay.
NVIDIA is kind of a potential support point. Yeah, ES. So do you guys do you like watching SPY better than ES?
No, not really. I mean, I really follow ES, but if I'm going to take like a couple contracts or something, I'll either do SPX or
Oh,
SPY.
okay. Yeah, specifically.
Just if I'm going to
yeah.
just take a few options, like if I'm going to do like a 0 day or something like that,
Uh-huh.
that's what I'll do.
Oh yeah, how is
All
Google?
right, so there was that nice wick like I like Chop Trader. I mean, I'm not even to even yet, but I love that wick that it just produced and then that bounce that it got. So now we just need to see some quick momentum to keep going. Otherwise, we'll be toast. Yeah, ES is a little delayed, Grunky Tongue, just because it's everybody, you know, in the S&P. But we kind of look at ES because it kind of moves before NQ does. So we kind of look at it for that. So
Come on up, you. Come here, you big old bear. Come here, you big old bear. Look. Hi, you. Don't be chewing on me. I haven't seen you in days, and all you want to do is stink and chew on me. Yeah, man. I mean, it's looking no wick on the bottom of this candle, but it looks like she wants to kind of push. Yeah, I don't want to pay trading view for it to not be delayed. I'm not trading with speed like you guys, though. Yeah, that's true, man. You know, it is kind of interesting when you get into this, all the little tiny fees you got to start paying for. You know, like
yeah,
10
you know,
bucks
I'm
a
not
month.
so sure that I might not just flat out just not have Trading View whenever mine runs out.
Really?
I mean, geez, I think I pay $600-700 a year or something like that, and sometimes I try to wait for like Black Friday or something. But
Right. Jesus. Come on.
you look at like Zero Dawn. I mean, he has Tradeovate, and he uses Tradeovate, and he
And
doesn't
that's
worry
it.
about anything else going on in the world. You know.
No way. Yeah, it's always interesting to me the people that can trade successfully with like nothing, no indicators at all. You know, it's just purely candle structure and that's it. And they don't even look at the rest of the outside
Yeah.
market to influence them. It's just purely, this makes sense to me.
Yeah. I should check out Robinhood. Yeah, Grungy Tongue. I think that's what my son uses. He uses Robinhood for a lot of stuff, but I kind of like Webull, but I still have to pay like. I see. I even pay for it too, but I think on Webull for their desktop deal, I think I still pay like $11.99 a month or something, or $2.99 a month, something stupid.
Well, we're starting to get a little push here, bud. Push up to the
Yeah, I
21.
mean, that pushed me back to even. Now I want more.
Now we want some more. Oh, my stupid friggin' computer today. What the heck? Come on. Not bad, little 30-point trade there. We're up to 360 on the day.
Oh heck yeah!
Oh, we're slowly getting there. We need 300 more bucks to get to the halfway point. Yeah, someday if I start making bigger dollar amount and can justify... God damn it, Charles. I know, bud.
Charles, don't say
No
that,
wick
Charles.
on the 1 minute candle,
Charles.
Greg. I
He
know.
just said he had green. He was green, Charles.
Yeah, literally, man. Get me all excited. Start making bigger dollars amounts. I can justify paying. I most likely will. Yeah, some of that stuff, though. I mean, just like my Lux Algo, you know, I paid how much money for this? Grinding Tongue, you actually might not have been here to see all this because this is kind of earlier on. Give me 1 sec. Let me find the friggin' screen. Where is it? I don't even friggin' use it anymore. Hold on. 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 Oh, this stupid thing. All right. Why the hell is this not working now? Oh, because I have it shifted sideways. Alright, never mind, man. I guess I'm not going to be able to show you as fast and as easy as I was hoping I could. But basically, I bought Lux Algo's big old pretty, I can't remember the price point anymore. I think it was like $750 or something like that. Will this work if I put it over here? That'll probably work. One sec. And that's what I kind of thought too. I was like, man, I can justify it, you know. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, there we go.
Oh yeah.
So it's during their Black Friday sale. So instead of paying $750 for it, I ended up getting it for like $200 instead. Used it for 30 days. They have a 30-day. You can give it back if you don't like it. So after 30 days, I go, this thing sucks. Give me my money back. They gave me my money back, and then they actually let me keep the indicator anyways.
Oh wow.
But yeah, so that was kind of nice of them at least. So I get this free $750 indicator, and even as it being free, I don't use it at all because there's just so much stinking noise and indicators and confluences, and it completely threw me off. I switched to trading for this for like a month and a half, and I did terrible. The only thing I like about it is it actually has, like, you know, previous day low. It actually says, like, previous day low. The other ones are just lines. You know, previous week low. That's kind of nice.
Oh,
There's
yeah,
some
that
nice
is cool.
stuff in here, but not for $750.
Right.
Dang, there you go. Back to green on that trade.
Oh, finally.
Man, yeah, that 400. We're so stinking close to it. We're only 40 points away. Everybody's targeting it. So what are the chances they're going to say, screw you guys? We're not hitting it. And how frustrating is that? I blew up that account today going short.
Yeah.
You know? And I blew up that account trying to go short, like, way the hell up here or something like that, man.
Well, then it worked right after that, too. I mean, it worked where you'd have been back profitable, but then it really would have been working right now.
Yeah, man. Oh, so shitty. Yep. Too funny.
I don't even know why I set a stop, though. I literally set a stop up there, and then as the candle got closer to it, I just move it away from it.
Uh-huh.
So what good does it have? What good does it have?
Right. Well, like quick wick. You know, it's saving you from a quick wick, maybe. That's a Trump tweet stop. That's what that is, you know.
Oh, man, that burned me yesterday. I think that's the eval I lost earlier.
Yeah.
Was the one that I milked all the way back to that.
I think this account actually has some pretty good statistics to it. Let's see. This month. How are we doing on this month? This month, we're up 67%.
Heck yeah.
Not terrible.
Gronky Tonk's trading to just pay his water bill. You know, I may let the water bill go, but the internet's what we got to have here, right? To keep
Yeah,
trading.
man, right? Well, man, with the amount of computers and equipment you're talking, you're going to need water, too, because you're going to have to hydro cool everything.
Yeah, I'm going to have to hydro cool it, yeah.
You're going to have to tap into, like, Google's AI friggin' hydro plant. Okay, guys, good luck. Remember to short, close your eyes until we hit London lows in the name of science, says Charles.
10-4, Charles.
Yeah, my wife told me I got 20 more minutes and that's it. I got to call it quits at 12 today. But I'm glad that I actually got to have a stinking decent stream with you, bud. This was fun.
Yeah.
Wish we could have traded a little bit better. Man, that was me, though. I literally went rogue. I went rogue on my very first trade, and that thing screwed me the heck up. Yeah, man, we're so close to that London low now.
Yeah, look at that.
399. What are the chances it just turns around right here? Says, nope. Not today, motherfucker. Alright, gonna try to be patient so that the last trade of the day is a good trade of the day. And instead of me saying this is the last trade 2 minutes before I'm signing off, you know, I'm having the
All right,
foresight.
Prop Trader, have a good weekend. Hey, your song's gonna be released this afternoon, so you can hear it next week if you miss it.
Heck yeah, buddies. Thank you so much for stopping in, man. Yeah, so close. It's gotta do it now. 417. We're basically there.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can snag one little guy. One little guy. Can we get one little guy out of it? Let's see. Not that this is my last trade of the day. This is just a silly little guy. This is just, hey, we're so stinking close. Come on.
Yeah.
Though unfortunately everybody's doing what I'm doing, so that's what's gonna keep it. That's what's gonna make sure it doesn't happen. It's gonna have to come up and test this 21 first. Come on.
Order rejected.
Yeah.
Stop.
Well, I'm having him in the 200s though. Broke the 200s. Oh. Alright. Gonna have a nervous tinkle here real quick. Ooh, sorry, puppy. Ooh. I was just gonna say, I was just gonna say, I bet you like that candle in your long, and then I looked up. Yes, he is.
Yeah, I already took one off. I took one off up there where that almost touched the 9 right there, and just got this one left. But I had to scroll all the way out to kind of see where we were looking a while ago. So
Yeah, I mean, we kissed that pivot point perfectly at 402. Bounced right off the pivot point.
I mean, if I'm being
402.
honest, it'd be crazy that we don't come down here and wick this 397 low again.
Yeah, we're so close. This is a pivot point on the... Oh, no, this is just the London low. Well, there you go, Charles. Charles, I know you're gone, but you got it, bud. You got your London low. You got your London low, though.
Well, and he called it out, too, all ago, where he was telling you there was no wick on the bottom of that 1 minute candle. So.
Yep. There it is. Kaboom. Oh, huge reaction up. Holy
Look
shit.
at that. Woo! I added in
Man,
right
I'm
there
glad
as
I
soon
got
as
in
it
that
touched
guy.
it.
Oh, man. You added to it. Shoot, I should have added. I got out really quick, man. I should have let it ride. Good God,
took
look
one
at
off
that
there. I'm gonna let this
candle.
other one ride a little bit. Yeah, I mean, look
Holy
at it. This last
shit.
one, I literally caught it at 398.
What is going on? Oh, no, my computer fucking froze again.
Come on, give me 100 points right here.
Order filled.
Ugh.
Come
Damn it.
on, giddy up, let's go.
That was a huge candle. Holy shit, huge candle. Massive candle. 1147. Super random. Everybody was just waiting for it, huh? Literally everybody was waiting
Yeah.
for it. 5 seconds left of this candle. Let's see if we can get a little halfway push down. Let's see what it does. Or is it just going to keep rocket shipping? I mean, shorts have got to be squeezed there. Got to be absurdly squeezed.
Oh, was that it?
People are taking profit. Man, I feel like usually when we have crazy candles like that, it ends up stacking. You know, it's a weird tweet stack, and we get like
Right.
3 of them in a row, and there's like 200 points in 3 candles. That's what I
Yeah,
was
for
kind of
real.
hoping for.
All right, I'm gonna kind of see what are we gonna do here. Oh, are we coming all the way back down?
Oh, wow. Got 20 seconds left for our 1150 candle. So that should be London closing. We might get a good push right here for our, let's see, in the next 8 seconds. Let's see a big old push in 8 seconds. Here we go. Come on.
Come on, baby. I didn't add into you for nothing. All right, took one off there. Don't. All right, I'm out.
Aw, man.
And the only reason I added 2 into that up there, I sold one up there at the top, so I made a little bit more than I was going to, but I didn't expect this big pullback.
Yeah, I wasn't either, man.
Let's see if it pulls back. If it pulls back in here to the, well, it bounced off the 20. I was gonna say the 15. I'd probably just go back right back in. I think that was the smart thing to do, but yeah, look at that, right back up. Ah.
Damn it, my friggin' screen froze again.
Uh-oh.
Flying blind. on. Come
I was
on.
gonna say, okay, you crazy sucker, I'm back in again.
Come on. Let's see a push, though. Let's see a push. Let's get the push. Come on. What time is it? We got 20 seconds left. Don't wick down. Don't wick down. Come on. Oh, 380. I wanted to be at 4.
Oof. Big rejection.
Yeah. Starting to be a bear flag on the 5. But what a just weird push up.
Yeah, it really was. I guess just to get some bulls involved.
Yeah. $15 seconds left in this candle. Come on, let's see. There you go. There you go.
Man, need a good push. Come on, give me a push. I don't want to just get out right here.
We got 15 seconds left.
Order filled.
I mean, that's almost a bear flag if I've ever seen one.
Yeah. But this is our 5-minute candle, so this is the last 30 seconds, you know?
Yeah, we
So
really
we
need
get
that 50-second push.
Yeah.
All right, come on.
There we go. There we go.
Come on, push.
Oh, 392.
Come on.
I'm so close. I wanted to finish
Come
at
on.
4. 392. All right,
Come
buddy.
on, baby.
Look at that. Look at that.
Come on, baby. Come on. I need $100, guys. I need $100.
Shee.
Oh, come on. Where are we at, Greg? 52,899 with 900. Come
Dang,
on.
dude, so close. So stinking close.
Do it for the chat. Oh, come on. No, don't come. No. Oh, my gosh.
There you go. I had to adjust it a little bit so you can see it.
Oh. Oh, it's going to come down anyway. Push. Oh.
Oh,
We were literally
Eight.
like $80 away. Now we're 160 away.
oh, so close.
Come on.
Got 5 more minutes, Jackie.
Oh my gosh.
So stinking close. All right, we got 4 minutes left before Jackie rips my head off.
3. Is she counting?
I know, literally. You hear the little ones chanting in the background, rip his head off, rip his head off. Great. I mean, yeah, the long, I don't know. The long kind of looks good. It's just we've been sinking this whole stinking day.
I mean, I'm a little nervous, but I mean, what if this is our double bottom and it's just all uphill from here?
Right? What if we miss it? What if this is the one we miss? All right, Jackie, I need another hour. That's so funny. I mean, they're about to go to my parents' house for the next 4 days. That's the other reason why.
Oh, yeah. Heck yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, bear flag, still bear flagging. No friggin' way.
Yeah.
No way.
I mean, this is the pivot point right here, man.
So what would be
Give me a fast wick through there. Just a fast wick. Super fast pop.
Otherwise, target is like 325, 320s. If it wants to keep going. Maybe 350. 350, then 320s.
Terrible idea.
Baby, you gotta give me a minute and a half.
We're going to go ahead and say our goodbyes now, Cat, while before the clock runs out.
Yeah,
that
no,
way when
literally.
Greg has to go.
All right, here's my last trade of the day. Not to fade you, sir, because you're always right. But I think just for the night. Oh, but it's a fucking 1 hour. I didn't think about that. We have a new 1 hour candle coming too, so that's always makes a difference. Come on. Let's see it drop back to the 390s really quick. Come on, here's our new candle. Yeah, it would be kind of surprising if it went right away, though, wouldn't it? It's almost too obvious.
I mean, if it pushes up first, then it may be a good, nice short on the hourly, but...
Darn it.
All right, I'm out. Let it fall.
Let it fall, you see.
Got another 80 bar. I need $103, chat.
Seconds, 10 seconds. No, nope. It's gonna come up instead.
Well, I mean, I don't not like that. I mean, now if it'll stay under that 417, 418, kind of the top of that wick.
Right. Oh shit, my computer's froze. I can't even see it.
Oh.
Alright, that was it.
Seriously, your kid's having seen you all week. Come on.
Just in time.
All
Chat, be
well,
quiet.
you
Don't
guys
let her know he's
quiet.
still
You're gonna make this
alive.
a lot longer if you mess around with me right now.
No, it's
I'm
not,
trying
I'm just
to.
gonna flip the switch on the internet.
And then turn the internet off.
Alright. Now that you guys keep interrupting me trying to say bye, it's taking it way longer.
Thanks for letting them play with us again today.
Yeah. Alright. Love you guys to death. Happy Friday. Everybody stay green. Switch over to Trading Cowboy so you can hear his brand new songs. And we'll see you again bright and early Monday morning.
See you shortly, guys. Giddy up.
Alright. See you, gang. Phew.